Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to stop auto download in WhatsApp. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my mobile phone. Now I'll tap on this WhatsApp and over here on the top you'll find these three dots. Tap on this and go to settings. And now over here you can see here is stories and data. Tap on this. And over here you can find media auto download. You can see here when using mobile data, when connected to Wi-Fi and when roaming. You can just tap on this and uncheck this all from here. And just tap on OK. Now you can see no media is selected when using mobile data. Similarly, we can do the same for Wi-Fi and also for roaming. And now you can see auto download is stopped on mobile data, Wi-Fi and also in roaming. So in this way we can stop auto download in WhatsApp. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.